So how to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then wait a few seconds. Right here you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and then go to the data usage option. Disable all the options right here and enable them back again. And then go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and go back to the apps manager again. This time search for Facebook and click on it and click here on this force stop, and that's it. Now all what you want to do is go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless add networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it again. That's it guys, as you can see, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.